Did you know a single sandstorm can lift millions of tons of dust into the sky? Let's talk about sandstorms. Sandstorms happen when strong winds blow loose sand and dirt off dry surfaces, usually in deserts. They can stretch for hundreds of kilometers, even crossing entire continents. When they hit cities, they cut visibility to almost zero and make it hard to breathe. That's why people wear masks or cover their faces. Some sandstorms are so massive, they carry dust from the Sahara all the way to the Amazon rainforest. And that dust, it actually helps fertilize the forest. Crazy, right? So next time you see a sandstorm, remember, it's more than just wind and sand. It's a global traveler. Like and follow for more wild nature facts.